Hello everyone, welcome to another FTC Team 5795 CAD tutorial. In today's video, you guys are going to learn about how to mirror objects in Fusion 360. Once again, feel free to pause the video if you want to follow along and also work on Fusion 360 as well as watching the video in order to enjoy the hands-on experience. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and create a sketch of a cube. And in this example, I'm going to use a 1-inch cube just to simplify things. Alright, and extrude like so. And if you guys followed the previous CAD tutorial, you guys are going to find out that this is quite familiar when learning about Fusion 360. Alright, and as always, make sure to save your design so that it doesn't get lost, and yeah. Okay, so now that we have established our cube, this is where the real magic happens. Go ahead and click New Design and save it first, and you guys can save it in whichever name you desire, but for this example, I'm going to say Cube Mirror, like so. Alright, and now that we have two different projects, you guys are going to have to access the original cube file. And in this case, it'll show on the left side of your screen. And make sure, once again, to remember where you saved your CAD file. Okay, so now that you accessed the cube, go ahead and click and drag the cube onto the empty space. And it should pop up like so. And you guys are going to notice three different things. One thing is that, quite simply, the cube appears on your screen. There's another dialog up here which mentions the name of the design. And there's also a drop-down menu in which you can translate the object. In this case, go ahead and click OK. And yeah, pretty much we have our cube on a different project. And pretty much in Fusion 360, if you make a change to the origin object, like so, here, you're going to have to update it onto the other project. And pretty much, if you guys want to make some alterations within this design, you guys can reflect it in the actual model. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Okay, so back to the objective of today's CAD tutorial is how do we mirror this object. And mirroring, quite simply, is you make an identical copy of an object or a component and you reflect it across an axis. So let's do that. Go ahead and click the Create button and the Mirror button. And right away, the drop-down menu should appear on the right side of your screen. And go ahead and adjust the pattern type to components, because this cube is a component. Alright, and after you click components, the object's icon should turn blue and it should say select. So once it prompts you to select an object, click on the cube, then click on the select for the mirror plane. And once you click that, you guys should notice that there are three different coordinate planes in which you can reflect the cube. You guys can click on whichever cube you desire, or whichever square you desire, and it's going to perform the operation nevertheless. So I just clicked on the one on the left side, and once you guys click the square, go ahead and click on OK. And just like that, you guys created, once again, an identical object to the original cube, and you guys successfully performed the mirror function. And yeah, once again, I hope you guys continue to tune in into these FTC 5795 videos so that you guys can gain a further insight into the world of technology and just overall enjoying the experience of science, technology, engineering, math. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Later. Bye.